Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to delete the macro in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to remove the macro from the file, open the Excel file. The file opens and an inscription appears on the yellow bar at the top of the screen stating that all macros are currently disabled. To activate them, you need to click the Enable Content button. If you don't do this, you won't be able to delete it. Now you can delete the macro. Let's delete the macro in the same order as we created it. Open the VBA editor, that is, right-click on the Excel sheet and select View Code. As you can see, all macros are separated from each other by different modules. Select the macro, for example, the first one. If you have a lot of macros and you are in doubt whether you have selected the right macro, you can check its name in this field. Now right-click on the module and select Delete Module 1. If you select Yes in the window that opens, then the macro code will be saved to a basic document in your chosen folder and you can return to it later, since this file can be opened with any text editor such as Word or Notepad. And if you select No, then the macro will be completely deleted without the possibility of recovery. That's how we deleted the macro. But if you don't want to mess with the VBA editor, but just want to remove the macro from the Excel document, then there is a simpler way for you. Press the Alt F8 keys and the macro run menu opens, where you can not only run and edit the macro but also delete it. Select the macro, be sure to select all open workbooks in the macro in field and click Delete. We agree to delete the macro and then save the file. Now the macro will not recover when you close Excel. That's all, now we can alter more. Thanks for watching.